All right, guys, so here is the storm right now. Friday the 14th as of 11 a.m. As you can see, the storm is right here. Let me zoom in here quick. It's Manila. Here's Angeles City right here. Here's where we're at. I got this off of windy.com. This here tracks the storm. It shows you where the typhoon is. Typhoon Mangkhut. I guess that's how you pronounce it. But anyways, what you can do here is you can hit this start button and it will start tracking the storm. And we'll do that right now. So here it goes as of 10 p.m. Saturday the 15th around 1 a.m. It looks like it's hitting land. Here's Angeles City right here. So there's where it's showing at middle of the night there, 1 a.m. making landfall. The eye of the storm is right there. We'll continue to go. Pause it here. Friday or Saturday the 15th, 9 a.m. Here is Angeles again. And we'll continue as it moves off. We'll pause it. But I mean, you can see like pretty much all the Philippines is going to be affected by it. We'll start it again as it moves off. And boom, hits landfall over here. What area is that? I think that's, what is that, China? Hong Kong area? But yeah, I mean, let me take it back here to Friday again. Here it is. You know, here's the Philippines. It's drawing from everywhere. You can see how it's just drawing from everywhere. This big monster of a storm. Let's play it out. There it is. That's how it's playing out. I mean, even Sunday it looks like, you know, it's still going to bring moisture to the area. So anyways, I found this windy.com, and that's how I've been kind of tracking it to know when it's going to make landfall, kind of what time, what day. So anyways, guys, I will give you updates as they come, and if I can upload them, I will do that. Good morning. Today, hang on, motorbike. Today is Friday. Friday morning, overcast, cloudy. Anticipating the typhoon that is coming in today. There was no school yesterday, Thursday, and of course no school today. Let me turn this around. You can see what's going on. There was no school yesterday, and it was funny because yesterday was beautiful. Sun was out, but they called off school. What the heck did they say? Something to do with getting ready or getting prepared for the typhoon that's rolling in. Now we're not in the area where we're not in the area where the typhoon is supposed to make, you know, landfall. We're south of Luzon, but Luzon is the area where we're at. It's supposed to get just rain, winds. We're under like a category 1. So yeah, but it's funny because it seems like nobody really panics here. Nobody's going running to the grocery stores and buying out everything on the grocery store shelves, like back in the States when they talk about a snowstorm or a hurricane, people run, they panic, they go to the store, which I can understand if you're like, you know, right there where it's making landfall. Of course you want to get out. People want to stock their shelves up, get gas, get food. But yeah, it's people just going about their business. Fish balls. People just going about their business. No real panic. Not that I can see. Hello, morning. Traffic is kind of on the light side yesterday, and this morning it's on the light side. So, but yeah, no school, no colleges, nothing like that. Stores are still open. Malls are still open. Matter of fact, I got to go up here to Jumbo Genera. Got to pick something up. But I will let everybody know what's going on. But like I said, I think we're supposed to get a lot of rain and wind, so we'll get prepared for that. Walk through here. Yeah, traffic is very light. Usually this time of the day, it's very busy. MacArthur up here, very light. All right, guys, I'm just out and about here this morning. Like I said, it's overcast. You know what? It's very humid right now, and there's no wind, and it's like you can kind of feel like the moisture in the air. Let me show you where I'm at here. I'm actually sitting under this little tree here, but I'm just sitting here across from McDonald's at the cross area here, just watching people, observing people. I don't know. You know what? The thing is, from being from the States, when you get, you know, these warnings at, you know, rain or typhoon or even snowstorms, people, you know, they I guess you would say they go into a panic mode. They go into a mode where let's go shopping, let's stock our shelves, let's get ready. But it just, I don't know, maybe it's because people here are just so used to the rain and you know, the weather that, you know, they just take it as it is. I mean, we have propane tank, propane stove at home and at the store, so if we do lose power, we can cook things, we can eat things, we can always go to the store, eat food at the store, but you know, we've got things like that, so if, like I said, if the power goes out, we can eat things, we have the food, but you know, if you're coming here, you're going to retire here, you know, you got to consider that too. You know, what do you want? You want an electric stove? You want a gas stove? Electric power goes out, you know, you're not cooking, you're not going to microwave. At least with a propane tank, you can cook your meals. But yeah, I mean, like I said, I'm just watching, observing people. This is a mess right here. They open, no, it's not open. But this intersection here, they always had it blocked off, and occasionally they open it up, it becomes a mess here. But yeah, everybody just going about their business, doing their thing. And here's another thing, back in the States, they always flood the news with things like a typhoon or a big snowstorm coming in. They got people on the ground, they got people here, they got people there, and it's non-stop news. I've been looking at the news here for, I don't know, past couple days, and very little about the typhoon. They do mention it. They do mention where it's landing. Like I said, northern Luzon is where it's going to be hitting. But all of Luzon, from what I'm seeing, is under a signal 1. So it is out there. My main concern, of course, is flooding. You can't do anything about flooding, except for move to a non-flooding zone. I'm not concerned if the power goes out. That doesn't bother me. I can survive without electric. And I know people that have generators. You know, we're renting, so we're not getting a generator. But yeah, just people watching. You know what, guys? I was reading the comments this morning about the last video I put up, you know, talking about your rights here in the Philippines, and when you're pulled over by traffic enforcers. Hey, you know what? There's always the ones out there that are always saying, you have no rights in the Philippines. You have no rights in the Philippines. Well, you know what? Do you? Or don't you? If you have no rights in the Philippines, then I guess you have no right to come here. You have no right to land on a plane here. You have no right to rent a motorbike here. You have no right to drive a car here. You have no right to purchase a apartment here. You have no right to grocery shop here. You have no right to eat here. You know, I don't know why people keep saying you have no rights here. Maybe, first of all, I'll ask those people that live here, not the ones that visit here, not the ones that sit at home on their computers and are visiting the Philippines via the internet. I'm talking about the expats that live here, those that have retired here, those that are here either under a visitor's passport, those that are here as a dual citizen, those that are here as a 13A, a permanent resident. You know, what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts here when you hear people say you have no rights here? I guess it'd be like saying, all right, you married a Filipino, you brought her back to America, the UK, Germany, Switzerland, Australia, wherever you're bringing your Filipino wife back to, and saying, guess what? She has no rights where you live. What's the difference? That's what I'm saying. I don't understand. And it's not everybody that is always saying this. There's always the handful of experts that are always saying this. But yeah, I mean, those that are nice motorbike, well, not really. Paint was nice. Those that live here, those that are retired here, been here a long time, lived here a long time, experienced different things. What are your thoughts? What do you think? You know, and I'm sure these are the same experts that are saying you have no rights here are the same experts that say, oh, when you get into a traffic accident, it's always the foreigner's fault. Well, I'm here to tell you, as a foreigner and being involved in an accident or two, every single time when the police were involved, I was found not at fault. So but yeah, let me know what you you know, what your thoughts are. Like I said, those that live here, those that have been here for a long time, let me know what your thoughts are. I don't know. Okay, you're here under a visitor's passport. Yeah, you're a visitor. That's all you are. You keep staying here, you keep renewing your passport, you're a visitor. But do you still have rights here? I'm a 13A, I'm a permanent resident. Do I have rights here? I'm sure I do. Dual citizen, obviously you have rights here. So anyways, I just want to know what people's thoughts are. You know what, I'm going to go back and I'm going to upload this video. I know it's going to be a short video, but while I have internet, I'm going to upload it to let people know what's going on here, to let people know we're still okay. And we are going to continue following the storm. I know right here, and it floods out really bad. I've come up here when it's rained very hard. This whole area will flood out. Even up onto the street, it'll flood out. So I'm going to be interested to see how much flooding we get. So anyways, guys, stay tuned for the next video, and we'll just keep an eye on this storm and let you know what's coming.